Hi lads, it's Friday the 8th of May. I hope all is well with you and you had a good long weekend. We're going to do two quick exercises today just to keep us revised on what we've done. I've given now a bit of a cough today. So we're going to start off and I want you to draw a circle of radius 100. Sorry, diameter 100, that means radius 50. Sorry about that, radius 50. So set your compass at 50. And draw a circle. Okay, so the diameter will be 100, the radius will be 50. If you can't fit that in, it's whatever diameter or whatever radius you work with will work for this exercise. So there's our circle, and drop a vertical line down to there, and take the radius and mark it off. So there's 0.1, we call it. Take the radius, which we know is 50, and mark it off there. So that's 50 there. Mark it off 50 again. To find point number 3, 50 again to point number 4. And of course, you know that 4 should be directly above 1. At this stage, you know we should be coming up with a hexagon in a circle. You could draw that to 6, radius, 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 and finally to 1. And there you have it. So, draw in our hexagon. And this is a nice little revision exercise for us, some stuff that we did last term. So, join 1 to 5, 1 and 1 to 3, and 3 to 5, and that gives that. Now you know what you're going to get here. Cross those diagonals, 3 to 2, 2 to 5, 3 to 6. And that'll give you 3 more points, 7, 8, and 9. So look at what we did, and you can go back on this as many times as you want, and draw in this triangle. There. So you can see what I'm heavying in now. All the other lines are light except for the black lines. Heavy those in, and that gives me that design. Nice handy design, and we'll go on to our next one. Color it in, gives you good shape. Right, so let's just take a look at this one. There's a hexagon in the circle again, with another hexagon and a third hexagon. So how do we do with that? Radius 50 again, lads. Like that. Drop our vertical line, point number 1, 50 on our compass, point number 2, 50 on our compass, point number 3, 50 on our compass, point number 4, point number 5, and 6, and 7. Well, 7 is 1 really, sorry, 6 points. And let's draw our hexagon again. Our hexagon in our circle, like that. Okay, that's where we are. Now, 1 to 3, 3 to 5, 5 to 1. Exactly what we did before. Okay? 2 to 4, 4 to 6. And of course that gives us our Star of David. We did that before. We got our points 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So let's heavy in the ones as I've dictated, which gives us that hexagon. Okay? 7 to 9, 9 to 11 to give us that triangle here. And of course now you see our points for the inner hexagon. There and there. And that gives us that. So there we have it, lads. There are those two exercises. They're nice and neat, easy to work with. And I'm going to put up another one later on, but I'm just going to stop that one and let you work on those two. Okay, lads. Good talk.